Logical operations in 8051. So we'll discuss here all these three logical operations simultaneously: AND operation, OR operation and XOR operation. The standard format of AND operation is ANL. This is mnemonic ANL, destination, comma, source. For OR operation, mnemonic is ORL, destination, comma, source. For XOR operation, mnemonic is XRL, destination, comma, source. Here bit by bit AND OR operations are performed. So in all four addressing mode, we can use these instructions. So first, immediate addressing mode. So in immediate addressing mode, this ANL, A comma hash, any number we can write, suppose 12H. So how these operations are performed? Microcontroller will AND contents of accumulator with immediate number 12H and result will be stored back in accumulator. Suppose in accumulator, before execution of instruction, 34H is stored. Then bit by bit AND operation will be performed. So accumulator in binary we can write 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. That is, it is converted into BCD. And this immediate number 12H can be written as 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. Bit by bit AND operation is performed. So 0 ANDed with 0 0. Here we'll get 0 0 0. 1 ANDed with 1 1 0 0 0. And this result will be stored in accumulator. So if we convert into hex, we'll get 10. So 10H is the result of bit by bit ANDing of these two numbers. So this is AND operation for immediate addressing mode. The OR operation for immediate addressing mode is ORL, destination is accumulator, and same number I'll consider, that is 12H. So it will perform OR operation on accumulator and immediate number 12H, and result will be stored back in accumulator. So suppose before execution of instruction, 34H is stored in accumulator. So again save, will convert it into BCD form, and 12H is immediate number, so that we can write here 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0, and OR operation is performed. 0 OR with 0 0, 0 OR with 1 you will get 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So this is the result of OR operation that will be stored in accumulator. So we'll get here 36H. So this is the result of this OR operation. Same for XOR. In immediate addressing mode we can write XRL, destination is accumulator, and any number. So you take example of 12H. So here in accumulator, suppose 34H is stored and 12H is 0 0 1 0 0 1 0. So bit by bit XOR operation will be performed. So here both are 0, So you'll get 0 here, 1 1, odd numbers of 1, 1 1 0, 1 0 0. So this XOR operation will be performed on each bit, and this will be the result of operation. So you'll get 26H, that will be stored back in accumulator. So here bit by bit particular operation will be stored and result will be stored at destination. So this is example of register addressing mode. Similarly, we can write this instruction in all other addressing mode. The second addressing mode is suppose register addressing mode. So in register addressing mode, ANL, the any register R0 to R1 can be used. So we can write A comma RR, any register R0 and R1, and operation will be performed on accumulator on this register. Here for OR operation, ORL, accumulator comma any register can be used. Here XRL, accumulator comma any register can be used. Third addressing mode is direct addressing mode. So in direct addressing mode, we can write direct address of internal RAM memory location. Suppose 45H is the address of RAM memory location. So contents of this location with ANDed with contents of accumulator, result will be stored in accumulator. Here for OR operation, we can write ORL A comma the address of memory location. For XRL, same thing, A comma address of memory location. The fourth is indirect addressing mode. In indirect addressing mode, we can write A comma at RP. RP means any register we can use, any register R0 or R1 register we can use as a pointer register. For example, we can write ANL A comma at R0. This is for AND operation. For OR operation, ORL A comma at R0. For XOR operation, XRL A comma at R0. So in all four addressing modes, we can use this logical instruction. Bit by bit operations are performed.